Hello, everybody. Good morning. It's a pleasure to be with you people. And I got a chance to talk to you. It's my good luck. You all must be thinking of sometimes getting diseases, sometimes getting health problems. And when these things happen, one goes to the doctors. And the doctor gives some medicine and the patient becomes all right. And they said that doctor is very good. But what I'm going to talk to you today, and I'm going to tell you is that it is the best doctor in the world is your own body. Here is the best doctor in the world. It is your own body. But I'm sure you people don't know why I'm saying this and why human body is the best doctor. And today I will tell you, and I will make you realize and make you believe that your body is the best doctor in the world. And if you take care of your body with good food, good exercise, good sleep, you will never fall sick. And even if you fall sick, the doctor inside will take care of the problems. Here I will give you one example to prove how the human body is the best doctor. If a person gets an injury, one goes to the doctor and the doctor applies stitches like this. And then the doctor tells it, they cover it with the bandage, and the doctor tells you, come back after 8 or 10 days, we will remove the stitches. And after 8 or 10 days, when the stitches are removed, the skin is healed. Now think and tell me, is the doctor who applied the stitches, has he healed this wound or the body? The doctor outside, the surgeon, what he has done is he has brought the cut edges together so that the body can repair this wound. Even if this wound is not stitched, if the stitches are not applied, wound still heals, but it leaves a big mark, it leaves a big scar. Here is how the healing takes place. This is the injury, the cut wound. The wound is cut, a lot of blood comes there to clot. It makes a blood clot to stop the bleeding. There are a certain type of cells which are known platelets. A lot of platelets come together, they clump together, and they close the wound. Blood stops. Then certain type of cells which are called white cells, they come there and they start repairing this wound. Then the skin starts growing from these both sides, and finally the skin is closed and the wound is completely healed. This is the doctor sitting inside who has healed this wound. So the best doctor is the human body. And the human body is the best doctor because nature has provided it with a natural defense system which is called immune system. To keep this immune system completely functional and fit, one needs to provide nutritious food, good sleep, proper sleeping, and good exercise to the body. Let me tell you how the human body is formed. It starts from the cells which are the building blocks of the body. Many cells come together to make tissues, combine together to make organs like heart, stomach, liver, lungs, etc. And many organs put together, they form systems like digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, etc. And all this system put together is known as the human body. The different systems of the human body are nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system, muscular system, urinary, skeletal, reproductive system, and the most important, immune system. Human body, if we compare it with a machine, it is the best machine in the world. I'll show you the functioning of this machine. This is the human body, the factory, and this is the brain. And these are different compartments in the brain: eye, ear, IT department, electrical department, all the different departments there. Then these are the lungs, right lung and the left lung. And then this is the heart. Impure blood comes from all the parts of the body to the right side of the heart, and then it goes to the lungs. In the lungs, because of our breathing, lungs take out carbon dioxide and put oxygen into the blood. And this pure oxygenated blood, it comes to the left side of the heart. And then from left side of the heart, it is sent to all the tissues and cells and organs of the body. For proper functioning of this machine, we need food. So when we eat food, certain juices like saliva, they mix in food and the digestion starts here. Then the food goes into the stomach and some more juices, they come into it. And then further process of digestion takes place in the stomach. This digested food, it goes into the intestines. And then intestines, some more juices combine to it to complete the digestion process. And this completely digested food, the good portions, the nutritious portions, they are sent to the liver, and the waste is discarded. Then in the liver, further processing takes place on the food, and it separates the vitamins, mineral, carbohydrate, fats, etc. And then through blood, all these nutrients, they are sent to all the cells of the body for their proper functioning and their nutrition. If we consider an average age of 72 years for the human body, this machine works non-stop for 72 years. A powerful and wonderful machine nature has made. The world's best doctor immune system, it has got these three functions: biointelligence, phagocytosis, and chemotaxis. The biointelligence, it is the ability to recognize the toxins and the enemy bacteria, microbes. After recognition, then those microbes or toxins, they are swallowed, they are engulfed by phagocytosis. And after engulfing or swallowing, they are broken down into harmless chemicals through the process of chemotaxis. Why do diseases occur? As I told you earlier, that the immune system remains strong if we provide it with good nutritious food, sleeping habits, and proper exercise. Because of the modern lifestyle, our immune system is gradually deteriorating. And it is getting deteriorated because of toxins which are affecting our health through food, water, and air. And they are damaging the immune system, our natural healer. And when one gets a disease or a health disorder, one goes to the doctor and the doctor prescribes certain medicines. The medicines are disease specific. For fever, there's a different medicine. For headache, there's a different medicine. For heart problem, there's a different medicine, like that. And those diseases, those medicines, they are mostly symptomatic, means they do not work at the root cause of the disease, but its symptoms. I'll give you an example. Supposing a person gets headache, pain in the head, and one takes some medicine. With that medicine, with the effect of medicine, the headache disappears. But that headache can be because of many causes in the brain. That medicine only removes the headache, but the cause remains in the brain. And so the headache keeps on coming back again and again and again. Then those modern medicines, they have many side effects. And if the combination of drugs is given, they have some interactions amongst themselves which is harmful to the body. And too much of medication can damage the doctor in the body. This is the doctor, Dr. Alan Greenberg. You can read it out. Read this out, please. You please read this out. This is the important thing, that the modern drugs, medicines, they are designed only to treat symptoms and not to cure anyone. And this is a famous author, Aldous Huxley. He has written many books. What he says, health has become a very rare thing these days. Though medical science has made many advances, but still diseases and disorders are increasing. And the world is looking up to the alternative system of medicine and holistic and integrated approach to tackle these problems. Alternative system of medicine means system away from the modern medical system. Holistic means treating the body on the whole as one unit. In the modern medical system, the different organs, they are dealt with in different ways. But what is needed is to treat the whole body, or not the organs. Integrated approach means combining natural therapies with the modern system. And to achieve this, more and more importance is being given to the naturally growing herbs, and researchers are working to find their mysterious healing potentials. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, he had said, natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. The doctor sitting inside, that is the true healer of the disease. In nature, there are herbs available for almost every disease. The need is to know and understand. There is a term phytotherapy. It means use of plants and plant extracts for medicinal purpose. It is also regarded by some as traditional or alternative medicine. Hippocrates had also said, let food be your medicine, and he had said, one can prevent many health disorders by including medicinal herbs in the daily food consumption. Thomas Edison, a very famous scientist, one of the biggest scientists, he had said, mushrooms are regarded as power-packed foods. They are considered a good source of protein, carbohydrate, mineral, vitamin, etc. There are nearly 38,000 varieties of mushroom known to mankind. Amongst the highly regarded medicinal mushroom, the scientific research has shown that there are 6 mushrooms which are very powerful and very important. And these powerful medicinal mushrooms are Ganoderma lucidum, reishi, also known as lingzi; Cordyceps sinensis, also known as caterpillar fungus; Hericium erinaceus, also known as lion's mane; Grifola frondosa, also known as hen of the woods; Clematis versicolor, it is also known as turkey tail; and Lentinula adores shiitake. This Ganoderma lucidum is known as the king of herbs. It is supposed to be having, it is called a divine herb, which energizes the life force. It is supposed to have some spiritual powers. In Japan, it is known as reishi. In China, it is known as lingzi. In China, as per recorded history, this Ganoderma is being used for the last nearly 5,000 years and is known as a mushroom of longevity and immortality. Lot of research has been done on it and its properties has been studied. The research has shown that Ganoderma contains more than 400 active medicinal constituents. Ganoderma does not work on any specific disease or disorder. It works on the root cause of the disease, which are the cells. If a person starts consuming products of Ganoderma, it is available in the form of capsules, coffee, tea, like daily use products. When one starts consuming it, it does not know that the person has a diabetes or asthma or joint pain or heart problem or skin problem. It does not know that. it starts working on the cells in the following ways. Number one, it looks for the cells which are damaged. Then it removes the toxins from the cells. And then it regulates the electrical and chemical function of the cells. Then it starts repairing or reconstruction of the cells. And finally, it causes regeneration of the cells. Whatever problem or disease one may be suffering, it may be diabetes, it may be skin disease, it may be cancer, Ganoderma has got only these 5 actions. And for these 5 actions to take complete effect, it takes from 1 year to 3 years. And when these 5 actions are completed, whatever disease is there in the body, it becomes all right. Research has shown how Ganoderma works. These are certain fighter cells, how it works in the fighter cells of the body. I talked about these 3 things: biointelligence, phagocytosis, and chemotaxis. Ganoderma empowers these 3 functions. Biointelligence is the most important. Our bodies, they harbor thousands of varieties of friendly microbes which are necessary for the body. At the same time, our bodies are invaded by thousands of enemy bacteria and viruses every day. It is the biointelligence which recognizes the friendly and the enemy microbes. Once our bodies are invaded by a certain microbe, the biointelligence remembers it throughout life. And in future, when that same enemy microbe invades the body, our fighter cells, they swallow it, they engulf it. And there are some types of fighter cells which are called natural killer cells. They break down the abnormal toxins and material into this process called chemotaxis. Now these broken down chemicals are a waste in the cells. They are discarded from the body, which causes certain symptoms which are known as ailment reflections. This is very important to understand this, because when one starts using Ganoderma products, one gets this symptom and one thinks what one has got some side effects. Toxins are identified, the system starts working, toxins are ejected from the body, and this causes ailment reflections. And ailment reflection, it is not a negative effect, it is a positive reaction of the body to its own health problems. It is a part of the healing process. These are also known as opposition effects or recovery symptoms. In naturopathy literature, it is referred to as healing crisis before the healing. So these reflections appear when the body is discharging the toxins accumulated within the cells. They are temporary symptoms and their average period is 1 to 3 weeks. If a person gets some problem because of this ailment reflection, one gets disturbed, one can take some medicine, no problem. I'll give you one example. If a person is suffering from rheumatoid arthritis or joint pains, when he or she starts using Ganoderma products, the ailment reflection that appears in that patient is the pain increase for some time. If they are tolerable, there is no problem. But if they become intolerable and then the pain is too much, one can take some painkillers. These are certain examples of ailment reflections. You can please read it out. Yeah, thank you. When all these 5 actions of Ganoderma are completed, the sleeping doctor wakes up. The human body becomes the best doctor again, and it is that doctor which takes care of all the diseases and health disorders in the body. So it is this doctor inside which is responsible for curing all our problems. And our body is a fighter to take care of all the health problems. I have been involved with this company DXN and using these Ganoderma products for more than 18 years. Before this, I was practicing modern medicine, allopathy, for the last 28 years. In the years 1995, 96, I got a problem which is called rheumatoid arthritis. All my joints were very painful. It was very painful. I tried allopathy, I tried homeopathy for 2 years, I tried Ayurvedic medicine for 2.5 years, I tried Tibetan medicine for 1 year, but nothing helped. The deformities had started in my fingers. See, fingers are becoming deformed. See this. And there was no way left. My life had become very difficult, and for doing my routine daily job, I needed somebody's help. Then in January 2002, a friend of mine introduced me to this Garuda. Initially, I was quite surprised, and I was quite skeptical that, because I was a doctor, that how could one mushroom take care of a disease which is incurable? But because I had a problem and there was no solution available, I started thinking about it. What I did was, before started using it, I studied it for about 8-9 days. And I satisfied myself only on one thing, that at least it would not harm me. And on 14th of January 2002, I started using the products of Ganoderma with complete faith and a positive attitude and a faith in myself. And within about 6 to 7 weeks, my joints started working properly. And then I started realizing, then I realized the power of this product. And I decided to share it with all my patients. In the beginning, they used to make fun of me, but gradually they started believing. And then they started using the products. Their problems became all right. And then they started sharing with more people. And now, after 18 years, I have dealt with approximately 60 to 70,000 patients of different problems, and I'm very happy with the results. And during these 18 years, I have earned a lot of goodwill of my patients. Some of the results that I found are arthritis, asthma, allergic conditions like sneezing, cough and cold, etc., skin diseases, blood pressure high as well as low, kidney failures, digestive system disorders, heart diseases, infertility, cancers, diabetes. And this is a very important thing which is known as diabetic foot or gangrene. Many people who are diabetic, they keep on using medicine all their lives, but sometimes some of them, they get a wound in the foot which does not heal, and ultimately the foot or the leg has to be amputated. I've got dealt with many patients and many legs and feet have been saved. I'm going to show you one example with photographs. This one lady patient which I'm going to show you just now, she was suffering from diabetes for about 13 years. She used to take insulin for her diabetes. In October 2015, she got a wound in the left leg. Gradually, the wound was getting bigger and bigger and bigger. In the first week of November 2015, she was admitted in a big hospital. For about 20-21 days, the treatment went on, but it did not heal. Then on 27th of November, the doctors told them that tomorrow on 28th, the leg has to be amputated. So on 28th of November 2015, the leg was to be amputated at 10 o'clock, the 6th at 10 o'clock. One day before this, somebody told them about me. So they left that hospital without informing them and they came to my place. This was the wound was like this, and this is from the back. But I told them that before amputation, you try the Ganoderma products. And that lady started using the products, and within a few days, the new tissue started appearing. And with the coming weeks and months, the wound was getting better and better and better. And after about 1.5 years, it was completely healed. So on 28th of November 2015 at 10 o'clock, her leg was to be amputated and the treatment with Ganoderma started at 11 o'clock. And today, this lady is walking on her two legs and she has given up insulin and diabetes is also cured. This is just one example I'm showing you, but I have dealt with hundreds of such patients. When your system inside becomes all right, your body becomes the best fighter. Ganoderma has got lot of antiviral activities. As I told you before, that Ganoderma has got more than 400 active medicinal constituents. And out of those 400, these are certain compounds because of which Ganoderma is effective against HIV. Some other medicinal constituents because of which Ganoderma is effective against influenza virus. There are other compounds because of which Ganoderma is effective against simplex virus problem. And when the system becomes all right, we can say stay away to the viruses like coronavirus. DXN was formed in 1993 in Malaysia, dream of serving the mankind. Dr. Lim Seo Jin, he realized the potential of Ganoderma and he realized that it could help people to live healthy lives. He researched on Ganoderma for nearly 10 years, because of which he was awarded PhD in alternative medicine. And he established this company DXN in 1993 with dreams of serving the humanity. Dr. Lim started cultivating Ganoderma in a pollution-free environment. The Ganoderma produced by DXN is unique. There are many other companies who are cultivating Ganoderma, but the Ganoderma produced by DXN is the best. It is best and it is unique because of its tissue culture cultivation and processing technique. These days, because of this coronavirus, which has disturbed the whole world, and nearly 500,000, about 8 million people are affected, and nearly 400,000 people have died. And the whole world is saying that there is no cure for coronavirus. The only solution is boost your immunity. And this is precisely the function of Ganoderma. This Ganoderma, it is available, as I told you earlier, in the form of capsules, tea, coffee, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, everything which we use in day-to-day life. Starting since 1993, now after 27 years, DXN products are being used in more than 190 countries around the world. And people are living healthy lives because of its usage. In my family, I started using it for my joint pains in 2002, but for the last 18 years, we are using all the products for the family's good health. Now, my advice and suggestion to all of you as a doctor, and out of my experience of 18 years, my advice and suggestion is make the DXN health food supplements a part of the daily dietary consumption for your family. Not medicine, a healthy food. And develop a strong and balanced immune system for prevention of health disorders and diseases. When a disease or health disorder comes to the body, it is very difficult and very expensive to throw it away, to take it out of the body. But it is easier to prevent the problem. We have been reading in our books since early childhood that prevention is better than cure. But out of my 18 years of experience with Ganoderma, I have added one thing to it. And that is, prevention of health problems is not only better than cure, it is much cheaper. So my suggestion is, give it a wise thought, study it, read it, go to the website, or you go to my website, read it properly and make it a part of your daily food so that your family lives a healthy and a disease-free life. So I give you best wishes for your good health. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to talk to you.